Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss the similarity between consumer and consumers. Singular can be used as plural also as per the interpretation. Since we have been dealing with the interpretation, yes, consumer can be interpreted as consumers also. This is what is stated by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, two judges bench, J.K. Maheshwari and M.M. Sundaresh. In the case of AlphaG 184 Owners Association versus Magnum International Trading Co. Private Limited in Civil Appeal number 4718 by 2022, decided on 15/5/2023. This is basically a dispute relating to Haryana registration of the so-called Societies Act. At the same time, Order 1, Rule 8 of the CPC, and at the same time, Section 2 of the Consumer Protection Act. Three legal points are involved in this particular issue. The straight issue is that the so-called Magnum International Trade Co. Limited, they promised the owners, Owners Association, that they will construct, build and hand over the flats to them within a particular time. But they could not do so. Therefore, some of the AlphaG 184, numbering about 50 or so, they have filed a case before the Consumer Forum. Ultimately, the matter came to the NCDRC because the pecuniary jurisdiction is heavy. The case was filed by the appellants, that is AlphaG 184 Owners Association against Magnum International Trading Corporation Limited, as it has failed in its obligation to complete the promise of completing the flats, requisitioning them, and since they failed to do so, this Alpha Association is requesting to repay along with compensation. They filed the case before the NCDRC. At first, 54 allottees filed the case, and later few others also joined. And against this orders, the respondents, that is Magnum International, they went to the High Court and got some stay order, and agreed by the stay order. Now they have approached the Honorable Supreme Court of India. The main point is, please remember, the repetition of the respondent also have to take into consideration. What he says is, the registration of the association by the G184 is not according to the norms. So they can't file the case. This is shown. And second is Order 1, Rule 8. If they have got the capacity, let them file in a representative capacity. So please remember, yes, they can file in a representative capacity. Joint complaint by multiple consumers, definitely it is also helping, but it did not file. Every consumer can file his own case. Joint consumer, Order 1 Rule 8 says, yes, representative capacity, you can file. Suppose if the complainants, they are interested to file their own case, yes, you can allow them, no problem. And the point raised by the so-called defendants is that it is not according to the registration of the Societies Act. But here Supreme Court said that does not bar, that does not hinder the consumer protection case. Because is there any deficiency in service? Is not or not? This is the main question to decide. You promised to hand over the plots on a particular day. You failed, you did not account properly. So definitely it is a deficiency in service. Whether they are the registered organization, whether their bylaws are there, whether they are sticking to their bylaws, it's not material. That is material for a service matter. The registration matters. Even the registrar of societies, they have given a notice to them, they have replied, they have given some amendments also they have taken. That process is going on. But that cannot be a hindrance, that cannot be an objection to this particular case, because consumer case, whether he is one consumer or two consumers, And even I told you that on behalf of the consumers and even an NGO or the state also can file a case against them. So you can't take advantage of the loopholes in the registration of the survey bylaws and say that they are not competent to file the case. It is not correct. So this is what is held by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So please remember, this is a liberal interpretation. Even the 2019 Act, it gives so much of liberty to the consumers even to file online also. So therefore you have to take into consideration all these things, not rigid whether this is under so and so or not, whether the registration is valid or not. It is not correct. That is what is held by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Please read the judgment and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.